I was a rooster, I'd want to be back here in this corner, hiding from people like me and Molly. Whoa, dead deer. Cool. Must not smell bad enough for Molly to want to roll on it. Or she's smelling up some peasants. Dead bird! Back! Hey! Back! I was just gonna say, oh, now she wants to go in the cattails. I'd be surprised if we'd find that one without me getting wet. Okay. Set my gun down right here, pointing towards where the bird went. I'm gonna try to find my shell. Molly! Molly! Back! Go back! Yeah. That one's gonna be tough to find. Oh, damn it. Good dog, Molly girl. Good dog, Molly girl. Drop. Ooh, good spurs on him. Tail feathers, mid. I might have knocked him off too, but look at those spurs. Pretty close to all the way. That is pretty much all the way around. That's a good bird. He's full of corn. Nice.